Good morning students. Now I am going to start with predecessor and successor of chapter 2 numbers up to 1000, and this is video number 5 of chapter 2. Now students, start with chapter number 2 numbers up to 1000, predecessor and successor. So what is predecessor? The number which comes just before a given number is called the predecessor of that number. See, for example, the predecessor of 459 is. So what is the predecessor of 459? See, the number which comes just before a given number. So what is the given number here? 459. So what comes just before 459? Yes, 458. See, students, in other way you can do like this also. 459 minus 1. So 459 minus 1 is equals to 458. Okay. Now what is successor? The number which comes just after a given number is called the successor of that number. So for example, the successor of 525 is, here what we have to do? The number which comes just after a given number. So what is the given number? 525. What comes after 525? Yes, very good. 526. So the successor of 525 is 526, or we can do like this also. 525 plus 1 is equals to 526. So to find the predecessor of the given number, we subtract 1, and to find the successor of the given number, we add 1. Now students, start this question. The number 590 comes in between dash and dash. So 590 comes between 589 and 591. So what you will write here? The number 590 comes in between 589 and 591. So students, I am giving you some questions from your book. Students, write the predecessor of the given numbers, and this is question number 10. See, 378. What will be the predecessor of 378? What you have to do here for find the predecessor? Yes, minus 1 or just before the given number. So what comes just before 378? Very good, 377. And here 908. So what comes just before 908? Very good, 907. So come to the 11th question, that is write the successor of the given number. So what we have to do here? We have to write the number just after the given number, or just add one number. So 894. So what will be the successor? What comes just after 894? Yes, 895. And here 699. What comes just after 699? Yes, after 699 comes 700. Okay students, now write down. And here question number 12, write the number which comes in between the given number. So what comes in between 932 and 934? Yes, very good. Here 933. See, the successor of 932 is 933 and the predecessor of 934 is 933. Here 359. What comes in between 359 and 361? So what comes in between? Yes, very good. 360. See, the successor of 359 is 360 and the predecessor of 361 is 360. So students, any problem in predecessor and successor? No. So I am going to start the next topic, that is comparing numbers. So start comparing number. When the number of digit is different. See students, when two numbers have a different number of digits, the number with more digit will be greater. So for example, which is greater, 765 or 58? See, (765) and 58. As 765 has 3 digits and 58 has 2 digits. So which one is greater? 765 or 58? So obviously 765, because 765 has 3 digits and 58 has 2 digits. So which one is greater? 765. Now students, come to next. When the number of digits is same. See, when the number of digits is same. When two numbers have the same number of digits, compare the digits at the highest place. If the digits at this place are the same, compare the digits at the next place on the right. Continue doing this until you get different digits at a place. For example, compare 345 and 452. So again here write 100 tens and ones, or ones, tens or 100. So here 345 and here 452. So the number of digits is same here. Here also 3 digits in 345 and in 452 also the same digits. So students, as the number of digits in both the number is same, we have to compare the digit at 100 place. So this is the 100 place, this one and this one. So which one is greater? First of all, we have to see 3 or 4. So 4 is greater. So which one is greater here? 345 or 452. So here it is 3 and here it is 4. So which one is greater? Yes, 452 is greater than 345. So we will put this sign. Okay students. Now again students, I have given you one more example. Which is greater, 456 or 458? So here again we will write 100, tens and ones. So here it is 456. So we will write here 456 and this one is 458. So here we will write 458. So the number of digits is the same. Here also 3 and here also 3. So compare the digit at the 100 place. So we have to compare the number of 100 place. See students, the digit at the 100 place in both the number is 4. So what we have to do? Now we will compare the digit at the tens place. The digit at the tens place in both the number is 5. So what we will do now? So we will compare the digit at the ones place. So here at the ones place, it is in 456 is 6 and here in 458 the digit is 8 at ones place. So here we will write 8. Here 456 we have written 6 and here 458 we have written 8. So which one is greater? Compare these numbers 6 and 8. Very good. 8 is greater than 6. So which one is greater? 456 or 458. So 458 is greater than 456. Now students, I am giving you one question from your book Checkpoint, and this is question number 13. Question number 13. Compare the following numbers using So students, start comparing these numbers. So see, here it is 678 and here it is 956. So first of all, we will compare the number of hundreds place. So here 6 at the hundreds place. See, ones, tens, hundred, and here also ones, tens, hundred. So which one is greater here? 6 or 9? So 9 is greater than 6. So 956 is greater than 678. Now the second question. Here see, students, 760 and here 89. See here that this number of digits is different. Okay, here 3 digits in 760 and here in 89 only 2 digits. So obviously 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number. So here 760 is greater than 89. Students, now come to the next. 554 and 558. Which one is greater? See, first of all we will see here at the ones, tens and hundreds. So here we will see the hundreds place, and here also ones, tens, hundred. We will see this number. So both the number at the hundred place is the same, 5 and 5. So come to the next, means tens number. Here also 5, here also 5. So where we will go? Now we will see the number of ones place. So here it is 4 and here it is 8. So which one is greater? 4 is greater or 8 is greater? So 8 is greater than 4. So here 558 is greater than 554. And here students 436 and here also 436. So both the numbers are same. So which sign will be applicable here? Very good. Equals to sign. Because see, at the hundred place, tens place and ones place, all the numbers are same. See, 400, here also 400, here 3 tens, here also 3 tens, 6 ones, here also 6 ones. So we will get equal to sign. Now students, any problem in comparing number? No. So students, today I have taught you predecessor, successor and comparing number. Now I am giving you homework to do. So students, note down the homework please. Worksheet 2.2 question number C and D, page number 15 and 16. And second one is worksheet 2.3 question number D, page number 70. So students, I have given you two homework. One, this for worksheet 2.2 for predecessor and successor, and worksheet 2.3 for comparing number.